In this video, we'll discuss about antiviral agent or antiviral drugs. Antiviral agent or drugs approved by Food and Drugs Administration FDA for the treatment or control of viral infection. What is antiviral agent? There are drugs approved by FDA for the treatment or control of viral infection. These antiviral drugs target stages in the viral life cycle. Antiviral drugs or agent, they can act as any steps of viral replication. So what they do these antiviral drugs, they act by inhibiting the viral replication, and these antiviral drugs can act as any steps of viral replication. If you see these viral replications, the sequence of events are taking place within the viral replication, and also discuss what are the group of drugs which will be acting at each and every steps. If you take viral replication, first step of viral replication involved in that fusion of virus to the host cell membrane. Fusion of virus to the host cell membrane and penetration inside the cell. After this, what will happen next? Uncoating occur and early protein synthesis or synthesized, early protein are synthesized. Followed by this early protein synthesis, next nucleic acid synthesis can occur. Later on, late protein are synthesized. After the late protein synthesis, there will be packaging and assembly of viral particles. Packaging and assembly of viral particles. Last one is release of new virus. Release of new viral particles. These new viral particles causes infection to the other cells. These are the sequence of event which are occurring within the viral replication. Now, these drugs can act any of these steps and will inhibit that viral replication. Various drugs which are acting at a different steps in the viral replication. So mechanism of action of antiviral drugs. Mechanism of action, they inhibit the viral replication at different steps in the viral synthesis. From the synthesis of viral particles started from fusion of viruses within the host, then penetration. After it will enter to 7th step, releasing new virus particles. What are the drugs inhibit that fusion? First steps, fusion and entry of virus particle. First steps is fusions of virus particles. That fusions of virus particles, fusion as well as entry of viral particles into the host cells inhibited by that antiviral drugs or agent. Enfuvirdite, then Meravirac. In this one we have tocosanol and palivizumab. So inhibit fusion and entry of virus particles. That antiviral drugs name is called as enfuvirdite, Meravirac. In this Meravirac we have tocosanol and palivizumab. Second step, uncoating. Uncoating is inhibited by antiviral drugs, that is amantadine and rimantadine. Amantadine and rimantadine. These are the two drugs inhibiting uncoating. Amantadine and rimantadine. Third one is early protein synthesis. Early protein synthesis is inhibited by antiviral drugs formycin. So uncoating inhibited by amantadine and rimantadine. Early protein synthesis inhibited by formycin. Then nucleic acid synthesis inhibited by group of drugs include antimetabolites and as well as the reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Nucleic acid synthesis inhibited by group of drugs include antimetabolites and reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Then late protein synthesis as well as processing inhibited by proteinase inhibitor. Then packaging and viral particles inhibited by rifampicin. Then release of virus from the host cell inhibited by group of antiviral drugs called neuraminidase inhibitor. So these are the mechanism of actions of various antiviral drugs. So revision: antiviral drugs are agent approved by FDA used for treatment or control of viral infection. They mainly inhibiting viral replication. First stage, fusion of viruses to host cell membrane and penetration of inside of the cell. Second one is early uncoating and early protein synthesis. Then nucleic acid synthesis. Then release of packaging and assembly of virus particle. Then release of new virus. This one causes infection to the another cells. Then what are the antiviral drugs? Mechanism of action: first step, fusion and entry of virus inhibited by antiviral drugs. Name is called as enfuvirdide, meravirac, tocosanol and palivizumab. Then uncoating inhibited by amantadine and rimantadine. Early protein synthesis inhibited by formycin. Nucleic acid synthesis inhibited by group of drugs including antimetabolites and reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Late protein synthesis inhibited by proteinase. Packaging of virus particles inhibited by rifampicin. Then release of virus inhibited by neuraminidase. So this is the mechanism of actions of various antiviral drugs. Thanks for watching.